To submit a ticket and report an issue with GCash, start by accessing the GCash mobile application. On the login page, look for the Help Center section, usually located at the bottom left or lower side of the screen. However, if the Help Center is not functioning properly, an alternative method is to open a browser and search for GCash Help Center. From the dashboard, select the specific service or product related to your concern, such as your account, and choose the relevant article or topic. Scroll down to the "Was this article helpful?" section, where you will find the option to submit a ticket. Click on this and fill in the required details, including your email address, full name, country of registration, mobile number, concern category, and a detailed description of your issue. Ensure that all the information provided is related to your GCash account. Once you have completed the form, click Submit to send your ticket. Remember to use the same mobile number and email address associated with your GCash account. By following these steps, you can successfully submit a ticket and report any issues with your GCash account.